Hey guys, apparently my phone started without me. As you can see, we're getting nailed with snow in the Northeast. This is exclusive Twitter content. I'm not trying to get busted for copyright infringement or whatever, but we are getting nailed. Yeah, it's bad. That we expect 12 to 20 inches by the time this is all said and done. I actually want to throw this up on YouTube as well. It's going to go on Twitter first. But yeah, it's pretty bad. It's really bad, actually. I didn't think we were going to get it, but we got it. Anyway, peace out, guys. Quick vlog entry. Be back soon with a... Yeah, my partner doesn't know what to think about me saying peace out. Yeah, really. Anyway, no copyright infringement intended. There's music jamming in the background. Just wanted to show you guys the snow. Alright, peace, guys. Bye.